Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ruth. I do a lot of thrifting, DIYs, art, design, home decor, and I absolutely just love all these things, and I'm excited to be sharing with you guys today my journey thrifting. I actually just recently got into thrifting and I absolutely love it. It's like a treasure hunt. Like, you never know what you're gonna find, and you just roam around the shelves and suddenly tucked in the back there's something really beautiful and you just can't live without it. Okay, maybe that's too much, but you get what I mean. I found some really beautiful items thrifting and I'm excited to be sharing it with you guys today. I'll insert a clip of me going thrifting right now. Okay, so let's get into the haul right now. I have all of the items sorted out right in front of me here. It's kind of a mess, but I went maybe 3, 4, 5, 10 times thrifting, and I've collected these items over the past month, and I am just so excited to be sharing it with you guys today. So first things first, I always go to the basket section when thrifting. They always have a lot of beautiful baskets laid out. You can always use basket anywhere in your house for storage, for decorations, and I just love finding these baskets because they can be pretty expensive at the stores. So the first thing I got is this beautiful basket. It's like woven and it's in this really beautiful texture. Yeah, I just saw this and I fell in love, and I love the shape of it and how there's like arches everywhere, and it's really lightweight too, so whatever you put in here you can still see through it. And I don't know what I'm going to use this for just yet. Maybe to put some fruits or some bread, anything, but it's really beautiful just sitting on the shelf there. And then the second basket I got is this really beautiful, just simple rectangular basket, and I love how it's made, and there's like some tiny little details of stitching, and it's just really well made, I think. Yeah, and it also has handles so you can carry it really easily. Love that. And the third and final basket I got is this one. There's like some fine little details on it. It might be made out of bamboo, I am not sure. And look at that stitching like throughout. It's really neat and it's in really good condition, so gotta get it. The next items that I found thrifting are just some kitchen items. There's a lot of like plates, bowls, cups, ceramics, tea sets, and everything like that in the thrift store because it's really like just like vintage, and people throw these things out a lot, but their loss is my gain because I am really excited about this portion. The first thing I want to show you guys are these wooden bowls, wooden plates, bowls. It might be bowls, I think, but this is so beautiful and it's in really good condition too. I found it tucked way in the back. I just have to have it. But yeah, they're really beautiful and they're really well made too. I plan on using this for a DIY, just making like jewelry tray, like a tray set kind of thing, like just drilling a hole down the middle and putting some metal or wooden rod through it and using it like a handle. And yeah, so keep a lookout for that video. The next thing I got are these ceramic plate and bowl set. There's actually 3 of them, but I can't find them anywhere, so I'll insert a photo right now. It's really beautiful. I mean, look at the texture, just the different colors, and I absolutely love them. My sister was like, you shouldn't get that, but I am happy I did, and she actually fell in love with it too. Just putting your food on these ceramic bowls makes them really delicious for some reason. It's just it makes your food really insta-worthy, and that just elevates your eating experience. And then the next thing I got are these teapot set. There's just some detailing on them, and there's again the same colors that I absolutely love. It's really cheap too. It's like $5 for the whole set, and it comes with 3 of these cups, and it has the same like detailing on them. Just this, is that a butterfly, is that a leaf, I don't know, but they're really well made. Like, they're really thick, so if you put like hot tea on them, it's not gonna burn your hands, and that's really important. So happy to be finding that one. Moving on, I found this tray, plate, tray. Yeah, it's just this really simple kind of metal tray, and it has like fine engraving on them. You might see a little smudge. I haven't cleaned them yet, but it has some like really fine details on them, and it's really pretty. I plan on using it also for a DIY, just for a jewelry tray. It's really beautiful and it's really simple, and it's only $1.99. The next thing I got is this plate, just really simple. It has like a curve to it, so it's gonna hold like soups or stir fry or anything, and it's really well made and in good condition too, and it's actually made in Japan. I don't know why I just shared to you guys that, but it's made in Japan. And I am just recently in love with this color, just the burnt orange color. I think it's so cozy and warm, and I just absolutely love it. And the last kitchen-y item I got is this kind of cutting board or serving tray. I don't know. I plan on using this just on the coffee table for a centerpiece, maybe putting some candles on or some flower vases, and it's actually tucked like at the very bottom part of the shelf, and I am so happy I found it because it is so pretty. Moving on, the next things I got from the thrift store or try to find is like just simple storage boxes or containers or vases, I guess, and they have a lot of them at the thrift store, and I got 2 of them. The first one is just this simple vase. I don't know what they're called, and it's really small and dainty, and I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but things like this, like, you can always use at your home, and like maybe some salt on the table. It's gonna be really pretty. And the second one is this metal canister. It's not the best condition, but I love the shape of it. I love the detailing on the lid too. I am planning on DIYing this and just spray painting it maybe. another color and giving it a new life, a new finish. The last few items I got are just some miscellaneous items. You can always find random things at the thrift store. And the first thing I got is this napkin holder. I saw a video by Lone Fox here on YouTube and I absolutely love his DIYs. And he got one of these and just wrapped around like some different colored yarn, different sizes, and use it as a decor piece on one of his shelves, I think. And it's just really simple and easy DIY, and you don't need to spend a lot of money to elevate your home because you can just get one of these and DIY yourself up. Okay, that is everything I got from my thrifting adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully give you some inspiration on what to look for and what not to look for in a thrift store. And most importantly, I hope you guys have fun thrifting because I personally have been enjoying it so much. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you do, please click the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys very soon.